Hello, I'm Ann Lindsay, your Style of Success image consultant and J. Hilburn custom clothier. It's just the second week of September, and it already in Connecticut feels like fall. I'm sure you've noticed that little jolt of coolness that makes you reach past the shorts and polos you've been depending on for the last couple months to something maybe a little more substantial. Maybe you love adding new pieces to your closet, or maybe you feel like you already have plenty of clothes. But the real question is, do you have the right pieces for this time of year? Even a well-stocked wardrobe can have gaps, and now is the perfect time to take a quick look and make sure you're covered. For this month's style video, I wanted to set the stage with an important consideration. Vogue Business throughout 2025 has highlighted the move toward quiet luxury, which is often accomplished with the use of elevated basics. All right, what does that mean? Well, quiet refers to subtlety, no big logos or fancy brand names, a core concept of the J. Hilburn brand. And luxury points to attributes of refinement, elegance, and success. So the term elevated basics means you've chosen superior fabrics and fit for core garments that you wear most often, like chinos and jeans and polos and shirts in neutral colors. Integrated quality pieces with a custom to you fit that perform better visually and last longer. This season, quiet luxury shows up in rich textures, deep earthy tones like chocolate and warm neutrals, and soft tailoring. In fact, soft tailoring is such a strong trend that some are calling it faux office. Creatively inspired, classically tailored garments worn as part of everyday dressing. So with this in mind, let's focus on 3 wardrobe gaps that men often overlook and how custom solutions can turn them into style strengths. Gap number 1, elevated casual shirts. The problem, you've got tees and a polo, but what's your go-to for super comfortable, but when your day might shift around from casual plans to a client meeting? Or you get that last minute, meet us at the restaurant text when you've already left the house dressed casually. The solution is an elevated casual shirt. J. Hilburn's Flex Texture Albini is a cotton tech blend fabric that is highly flexible. Look at that. Wrinkle resistant and allows full freedom of movement. These look both relaxed and polished at the same time, and they feel amazing on your skin. And with custom, you can personalize even the most ubiquitous and basic white shirt into ones that are completely unique by changing the collar styles, the buttons, threads, or adding contrast fabrics. Gap number 2 is smart full zip layering knits. The problem, wool sweaters can be too heavy and hard to pull on and off, while tech zip-ups are too casual. So what bridges the gap? The solution, J. Hilburn's full zip knit. This custom fitted sweater is more updated than a cardigan, delivering sleek layering and easy on-off versatility. Never heard of a custom knit? Well, it's a garment that's knitted for your measurements, just for you, for your shoulders, your tummy, your torso length, your sleeve length, like the best fitting knit you will have ever worn. J. Hilburn offers many fabric options, but I want to highlight 2. The scuba knits. These are available in light or heavier weights, and they're a little heftier looking, but still a very lightweight tech fabric that is made, it's incredibly soft. And this can be made into anything from joggers to t-shirts. And when you make it up as a full zip knit, they give a very casual but refined layering option. The second is the capolavoro. Big word. Capolavoro is made by the world-renowned mill Loro Piana. And it literally in Italian means masterpiece. And these 100% wool knits offer exceptional softness, structure, and drape. Quiet luxury, lightweight, yet substantial, with natural stretch and comfort across the seasons. Clean lines and a zip front make this an elevated and elegant alternative to a polo or hoodie. Gap number 3, the shirt jacket, also known as a relaxed tailored jacket. The problem? Your blazer says work and your overshirt says weekend. Is there a piece that bridges both? And the answer is yes, the shirt jacket. This on-point trend combines business with softer, more casual tailoring for everyday wear. The custom advantage? With J. Hilburn, we can create a shirt jacket in dozens of fabrics, ranging from tweedy solids to bold plaids, and even an ombre pattern. These garments are lighter weight, but still structured and styled for office or off-duty. You can choose the button front for a more indoor feel, or a zip front for a more outerwear vibe. So in conclusion, why did I pick these 3? Because they reflect what's most relevant right now. The flexibility of temperature throughout the day, the overall change in season that brings a desire for richer, darker colors, and the strong move by designers to blend casual with formal, adding elevated, basic layering pieces for everyday style. Think polish without stiffness. If you'd like to resolve your wardrobe gaps this season, let's connect. A one-on-one consultation, in person, virtual. I'd love to help you build a custom wardrobe or just one piece that supports your life, your lifestyle, and confidence. I am Ann Lindsay, menswear specialist and J. Hilburn stylist. Together, let's elevate you with intention.